Welcome to this video on how to use an external antenna to improve your mobile network connection in a large house. Thick walls often block mobile signals. An external antenna acts as a signal supercharger, capturing outside signals and bringing them indoors. The complete system includes 4 components. The external antenna captures the signal, a coaxial cable carries it, a signal booster amplifies it, and the internal antenna broadcasts it. External antennas are directional, like Yagi or LPDA, which point at one tower for high gain and are best for rural areas. Or they can be omnidirectional, scanning all directions for easy setup, best for cities. Internal antennas come in 2 types: dome antennas, which mount centrally and broadcast in a circle, best for open rooms, and panel antennas, which mount on walls and broadcast forward, best for long hallways. Step 1. Find the best signal. Walk around your roof and use apps like OpenSignal to find the strongest outside cellular signal. Step 2. Mount the antenna high on the roof, avoiding trees and buildings. If using a directional antenna, point it toward the cell tower. Route the cable, using low-loss cable like LMR 400. Drill a hole or use attic vents to enter the house, and remember to seal entry points with silicone. Step 4. Separate the antennas. Maintain a vertical distance of at least 20 feet or a horizontal distance of 50 feet between the external and internal antennas to prevent signal feedback or oscillation. Step 5. Power on. Place the amplifier in a central, ventilated closet, connect all components, and test speeds in previously known dead zones. Tip 1. For very large homes that need more coverage, you can use cable splitters to connect multiple indoor antennas to a single booster. Tip 2. Since roofs attract lightning, install a surge protector. Place it between the outside antenna and the inside booster for protection. Tip 3. For faster 4G and 5G internet speeds, consider a 4x4 MIMO setup. This involves using 2 dual-polarized external antennas connected to a cellular router. A simple alternative to installing hardware is Wi-Fi calling. If you have good home internet, simply turn on Wi-Fi calling on your phone. To master your network, find the strongest signal, choose the right antennas, follow the separation distance rules, and enjoy full coverage throughout your home.